Tonight, horrifying images from a South Korean airport. A passenger plane skidding across the runway after the landing gear appears to have failed before crashing into a wall and bursting into a massive fireball.
Night of 28th of December, after a broken landing gear caused the wing to scrape the runway, igniting a fire. The aircraft skidded down the runway and part of it caught fire. A passenger on board described the event and said that the plane started to tilt to the left, and as that happened, we heard a loud noise, almost like a crash, as the wing scraped along the pavement.